Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. As you saw in the description, what we are going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to go ahead and replace the green screen background which you can see behind me by just using your mobile phone. So let's start. So today, as I told you, I'm going to go ahead and use a mobile phone to change the green screen background. In this case, I'm going to use the power director. You can also use the kind master, but I use the power director because it's more simpler and useful. And first, I'll be clicking on the new project and I'll be naming it as a green screen project. And the ratio which I'll be taking is 16:9. Now I'll be choosing the media in the left hand side, and in the first media column I'll be selecting the green screen video. As you can see, the same video which I'm using, I'll be using the same video. And in the second layer column, I'll be selecting the layer and I'll be selecting a photo or a video with a green screen background on it. In this case, I'm selecting a photo to make the process quick. Now go ahead and adjust the photo length according to the video which you have selected, or the video length according to photo, by just dragging it in your application. And once that is done properly, just edit the remaining extra footage and delete it. In the left hand side you do see the edit option. Now click on the, and now go ahead and fit to the screen the green screen background so that it's in a full screen mode. Now click on the green screen footage, click on edit in the left hand side, and in the bottom right you'll be able to see something called as a chroma key. Click on that and click on the filler icon in that. Click on the background, the green screen background. So that will be a remote for you, as you can see that. Now head back and see how the video has come out without the background. So if you find any little bit green screen tint or anything like that in the video, you can again head back to the chroma key like I'm going to show you now. Head back to the chroma key by clicking on the same icon below. And adjust it according to your convenience. That is how good you want a video to be. Because each and every video, the lighting is different, so it would be different for everyone. So I'm just adjusting according to my maneuver, how I have shot the video or the photo. So accordingly, I'm just going ahead and changing it over here. So everyone, according to the lighting conditions, will be having a different type of uh, video. So this has been done over here. And if you do want to check the lighting video, please click on the end card to check that out, how I will let my green screen. Now export the video and click on 4K option, because you do can export in 4K in Power Director, which is a useful task. And you can produce the video in 4K, Full HD or 720 also. But in my case, I'll be taking the 4K video because my video was shot in 4K. And now I click on produce, and this will be a quick offer option over here, as I just selected a photo and I'm changing the green screen background. For video it will take some time, but it'll take within 5 minutes, it'll be done. It's not as it will not be as delayed as other editors in computer, which takes hours, but this one is done within 5 minutes, mostly the rendering process. That is the max. So now I'll just head back and I'll show you the video how it has come out. So this is the green screen video in which I have changed the background. Now I'll just zoom it a little bit more for you. so that you'll be able to see it clearly. Let's see how the video has come out. So it has come out pretty good now. So you can just see the maximum zoom also over here. It has come out pretty good. So this is the easiest way you can go ahead and change the green screen by just using your mobile phone. So as you saw, this is the simplest way you can go ahead and change the green screen background using your mobile phone. That's any of the smartphones which you use, you can do that. And in case you require a video on how to do it on a computer, I'll be posting that soon so that you can even use a computer to go ahead and change the green screen background of any of the videos which you're posting. And in case you like this video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up over there and subscribe for the channel so that you can see the future updates. Thank you for watching Kamal Tech Vlog. This is Kamal and you have a wonderful day.